This is Richard, RT Fabrication and Restoration. Today we're going to go ahead and take the pistons out of the 134 L head engine on this M38 Army Jeep. I already have the pistons out. I'm going to show you how to take the rings off a piston and clean the ring grooves in the pistons to get ready to install new rings. So let's take some rings out. Nice little ring removing tool here. A little finicky sometimes, but you can also just grab them by hand. But once you get them on there, they come off real nice. Top compression ring. Bottom compression ring. And you will need a screwdriver to get the oil ring off. You have to locate the gap. There's a gap. Just separate it, pull it up, and just kind of twist it off. And you can also take your bottom oil ring off. You want to be a little careful with this, especially if you happen to be reusing these, because they can break very easily. And you have to find where it meets here and take that off, give it a little spin. There we go. Now let me get my ring groove cleaner here. There are 3 grooves on this piston. The oil ring is a 3/16 groove. Bottom compression ring groove is 1/8. Top ring groove is 1/8. I already have the 3/16 set here for the oil groove. So that's what we'll do first. Squeeze this, move it up into position, and you just twist, and you can see it getting the carbon out of the ring groove as you go around. You don't want to take it too many times around, because you will actually start taking metal out of there. You just want to get the groove clean. That's pretty good. So now we'll reset this for 1/8 of an inch for the bottom and the top grooves to be cleaned. And same procedure. Put that in the groove there, that in the groove there. Squeeze this so it comes down and gets into the groove. And you just turn, and you can watch it clean the groove as you're turning. Like I said, you don't want to take too much out. Just clean the carbon out so the groove's nice and clean. And that looks good there. Now we'll move up to the top compression ring groove. And I'll slide this up. Too far. There we go. You kind of want that blade to be straight in, not on the angle this way, not on the angle that way, straight in. So it cleans the groove but doesn't take metal out at the same time. Little spot right there needs to be cleaned a little bit more. We'll go one more time around and it looks pretty good. Okay, this top groove here is not a piston ring groove. It is just for heat dispensation. You can clean it if you want, but it is not a piston ring groove. So that's all we're going to do today. And I will get back with you when we put the new rings on. Thank you very much.